welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree, and for today's video I am doing my part 2 to my Boxycharm unboxing. So this is the version that you get to watch me use all the products. The first video, the part 1, will be my full-on review. I'll talk about the products, how much they are, and all that other good stuff. And this video is just solely me trying on products, so if you're interested in that, then please continue watching. Also, please ignore the fact that I got these terrible breakouts happening. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what I ate to make this happen, but it's happening, and here it is. So the first thing I see here that I'm super excited to try is this thing right here. This is the Ciate, the Editor palette. So let's get right into this palette. So right away I noticed some really lovely colors here. Right away there's just some beautiful colors that are really calling to me. So let me bust out my eye primer and then we'll get right to it. The eye primer I'm going to be using is this right here. This is the Sephora Tinted and Cooling Eye Primer. This is in 02 Pink, matte pink beige. It's a really good eye primer. I really do like it. It's long lasting. It just does a really good job. Okay, so I noticed that none of these colors have names on it, so I have no idea what to call them. I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to take this brush. This is a Sonia Kashuk brush, and I'm going to place this all over the lid. I'm going to use this shade right here. It's a pinky type of shade. And I'm going to use this e.l.f. brush. This is an blending eye brush, and I'm going to place the shade right here in my crease. Ooh. Okay, so that's what that should look like. And I'm just going to dust this brush off. And now I'm going to use this Sonia Kashuk brush. It's just a flat brush, but it has it's almost dense enough to really do some blend work. And I'm going to use this shade right here. It's this really beautiful reddish shade. It's really gorgeous. It's just something that calls to me a lot. And I'm going to put this all over the lid. Now I'm going to use this other brush by Sonia Kashuk, and it's like almost like a pencil brush, but a little more dome-like, if that makes any sense. This is what it looks like. It's a nice dome brush. And I'm just going to use this brush and this dark brown color, and I'm placing it in my outer corner in a C-like shape, but really small. I just want to put this here for just some definition. Just add a little something there, because I don't want it to be so like what's the word, like just I don't want it to look kind of weird. I just want to add a little something to it. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other eye and the rest of my face, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I did the face off camera, my brows and everything off of camera. So now let's move on to trying the next thing. So the next thing I have here is this right here. So this is by the brand called Dermalect, I believe. Yes, it's called Dermalect. And this is an extra lash volumizer. This is just something you could put in your eyebrows and your eyelashes. Oh, oops, I did the eyebrows. So it's supposed to be like just some kind of booster formula. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out. So this is what it looks like. And so you open it up here, and yeah, it's definitely got some kind of clear serum. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in my lashes and see what this does. So I got this right here. This is by Milk Makeup. I got the shade called Biz. So it's long like this. Oh, okay. So this looks like it's a sponge. Like you can do some, I was gonna say smearing, but you can do some smudging. So this is, how do you get it? Oh, okay. So you twist up here. Okay, cool. So that's what it looks like. So let's do some quick swatching. Oh, it's blue. Oh, I just thought this was just the packaging. So it's blue. Okay, pretty. So I'm gonna put this in my waterline. Oops. So I still want to play with this palette some more because I'm so blown away by it. And I don't want to stop using it. So I'm going to take this little itty bitty little brush. I'm going to take this gold shade. And I'm going to place this in her corner. Ooh. Okay, that's looking gorgeous. And now with this angled brush by e.l.f., I'm going to take this green color. And I am going to place this on my lower lash line. Okay, so this is the completed eye look. I got an array of colors going on today, but I just really like this palette, and this doesn't normally happen to me where I like a palette so much that I want to try out all the colors. The last and final thing I have to try on today for you is this right here. So this is by MAC. This is the shade called Dubonnet. I can't pronounce this word. So this is the name of the lipstick. And take it out. It's definitely a traditional MAC lipstick, and it even smells like a traditional matte lipstick, MAC lipstick. So it's this beautiful shade right here. Ooh, it's creamy. So this is their amplified cream lipstick. So this is supposed to be a cream, so it's not a matte, it's not a sheen, it's just a cream lipstick. So on camera, this looks like a nice red, but in person, it's a almost burgundy type of lipstick. Okay, so that is everything to try in my box. So if you want to see my review, please click on part 1 of this video. And if you could be so kind, please subscribe to this channel. I am trying to reach my goal of 100 subscribers. Join my little YouTube community. Comment down below, did you like this month's box? Let's chat. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.